Hi everyone and welcome back. These are some of the top free watch faces that you shouldn't miss out for your Galaxy watch. Starting off with the first watch face. This is Mini Mini 2, a super minimal watch face available for free, and this offer is for a limited time. Watch face offers a cool looking clean design that shows our time in analog format, and here is our digital time highlighted here. While this side shows the battery percentage. Talking about customization, you can change the style of digit highlighted here. Then you can change the color of dial. We have many color options here. In the end, you can add a complication of your choice on this side. Next face that I have is Ballozi Skynox. This is one realistic looking face that you shouldn't miss out. Also, it is free for a limited time. Watch face offers a total of 3 sub dials. This one shows battery percentage. Here is our week meter with date, and this is our step counter highlighted here. Talking about customization, you can change a lot of settings with this face. First, you can change the color of sub dials highlighted here. Then you can change the color of dial like this. We have many different color options to try out. After that, you can change pointer color and background color. So try it out. This is Ballozi Skynox, available for free for a limited time. Next face on the list is kinda simple and elegant. This is VS75, also available for free for a limited time. Its link is down in description, so check it out. The design here is pretty simple. We have our time highlighted here, while this section shows battery percentage, day, date and step counter. Further, we have our seconds present around the bezel. Talking about customization, you can change the color with time, like this. Plus we have few settings for complications. Moving on to the next watch face. This is a premium design from one of the top developers on Play Store. It is available under the name of MD266. The design here is simple, but it has a ton of information in the background. Like at the top we have our week, day and year. Here is our time, while this section shows sunset sunrise indicator. And this is our heart rate monitor with step counter. Talking about customization, you can change a lot of things with this face, like color of time, seconds, then date. After that, you can change color of information highlighted in the background, and next you can make background lighter or darker. Also, you can check out this video where I have shown how you can install Galaxy Watch 6 faces on your Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 for free. I really like the design of this watch face from Galaxy Watch 6 called as Perpetual Time. So try them out and don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be posting my Galaxy Watch 6 videos pretty soon. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.